Hi guys, welcome back again into a new video. Today's tutorial, it is a quick, simple and easy one that everyone can do by themselves at the comfort of your home. The hair is called Havana Curls. It is from Ajo's hair company, and in case you're not from Kenya and you cannot get Havana Curls, you have an alternative to use another hair called Word Curl. It is a good one and does the same job as Havana Curls. I used 1.5 packs and this is how it looks like before you separate it. And first thing first you need to do is cut the ends to avoid tangling where you will be separating, and then you apply any kind of hair food to make it smooth so that when you will be separating, the hair won't tangle. For a single strand, I divided into 3 parts because I wanted my curls bigger, as you can see.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on